Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Now, have you ever wondered how to make your emails more polite in order for you to gain your potential customers and business partners trust? So today I will be teaching you, or we will be learning the way to be more polite. All right? So the most common way to be polite in writing your business emails is to use some indirect languages, because these languages are more diplomatic and it allows you to avoid using strong opinions. And also, it allows the person or the other person to say things. So the first way to sound more polite in your business emails is by using could or would to soften a request or suggestion, and the words perhaps, possibly, and just can be added. So for example,
Send me the copy of the minutes.
alright, so to make it more polite, we can say, could you perhaps send me the copy of the minutes? Or would it be possible for you to send me the copy of the minutes? In that case, we sound more polite, and yes, it makes our request soften. Another possible way for you to sound polite in your business letters is by using the word mind. Alright? So, to make a request, you can use would you mind plus verb ing. For example,
Can you pick me up from the airport?
alright, now how can we make it more polite? So by using would you mind picking me up from the airport? Alright. Using the word mind again for asking permission for yourself, you can use would you mind if plus I. Alright, for example,
Can I leave the meeting earlier tonight?
alright, so we can say, would you mind if I leave the meeting earlier tonight? And lastly, for using mind is, we can also have if you don't mind, blah, 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 blah. For instance,
I will be late for the dinner meeting tonight.
alright, we can send or we can write, if you don't mind, I will be late for the dinner meeting tonight. Alright, so this phrase, if you don't mind, is used if you feel that the request or the permission that you're making can make someone feel inconvenient. So you can use if you don't mind, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so the third way for you to send business emails politely is by using the verbs think, hope, and wonder. So we use all these three verbs to make a polite request, and we can use the past continuous tense of the verb to be very polite. For example,
Can I leave the meeting early?
alright, so you can say, I was thinking of leaving the meeting earlier. Another example,
Can we have a chat at some point?
I was hoping if we can have a chat, a quick chat at some point.
Can we rearrange the meeting?
I was wondering if we could rearrange the meeting. And finally, so the last way for us to sound more polite in sending business emails is by using I'm sorry, but. So this phrase is used to soften a bad news. And that is actually a well-known phrase as well. So for example,
I can't put off the meeting to Friday.
we can say, I'm sorry, but I can't put off the meeting to Friday. And don't forget to give your reason. So, for example, I'm sorry, but I can't put off the meeting to Friday because the venue will not be available on that day. And for British English, they commonly use I'm afraid. For example, I'm afraid I can't put off the meeting to Friday because the venue will not be available on that day. Alright, guys, so let's call it a day. Hopefully, those expressions or those phrases would be helpful for you to make your emails softer, more polite, and also for this, you can make deals with your potential business clients or customers in the future. So, thank you, and stand by for my next video. Bye.